Floor Dance Break.
Yes! Andito kami ngayon to introduce to you our coach for episode 14's Dance with Your Coach, Coach Angel! Hey guys!
Oh, taas.
Diba?
So ayun, Coach, meron akong tanong sa'yo.
Nakakaba
Ang
naman
tanong,
yan.
Ano ang pinaka-favorite mong ginawa or ginagawa sa dance piece natin?
Oh, ano bang favorite part ko? Feeling ko, I would say, ang hirap naman. Parang alam mo yung baby mo siya, tapos hihimayin mo yung yung baby. Hihimayin mo yung favorite mo doon sa mga anak mo. Favorite moment. Siguro, I would say it would be the... Oh, sasabihin ko ba exactly yung yung part?
Sige, go. It's up to you,
Sige.
Coach.
Siguro I would say it would be the intro.
Oh.
The intro. Going to the trio part. Cause wala, ang sarap lang niyang sayawin. And then yung dynamics nung part na yun, it's something na very entertaining to watch.
Actually.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
So ang hirap niya kasi himayin lahat kasi favorite ko talaga sa pyesa namin.
Ang sarap kasi ng buong pyesa no?
But it would be that, yes. Because there are moments na nag-shine tayong lahat individually in that intro, and at the same time, we all merge together and then dance together as a trio. It's something to watch out for.
Since our performance is malusog siya, marami tayong ginagawa doon. Ano sa tingin mo ang mararamdaman ng audience pag nakita nila itong pyesa natin?
I hope na ma-feel ng mga audience, ng mga lahat na manonood sa atin, na mamangha sila. And gusto rin nilang sumayaw with us. I hope they get that feeling na it's so entertaining to watch that they also wanna watch with us.
Okay. And because of that...
Ang daming questions wala dito.
Pero, ifa-fast talk ko muna kayo dalawa. Sino
Fast
gustong
talk.
mauna sa inyo?
Si Joke.
Sige.
Okay, sige. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Timer starts now. Charot. Dance sport o dance hall?
Dance hall.
Loyal o honest?
Loyal.
Travel o staycation?
Travel.
Leader o follower?
Leader.
City life o probinsya?
City life.
Crush o jowa?
Jowa.
Kiss o hug?
Hug.
Unlimited rice o unlimited dessert?
Unlimited rice.
Sweet o soplado?
Sweet.
Eto talaga ang clincher dito. Shanty or Jasmine?
Jasmine.
Cry na ako! Cry na ako. Tama yon, yung pinakahuling sagot. And dahil dyan, it's your turn, Coach
Oh my
Angel.
God.
Okay, ready?
Nakakaba naman yung fast talk natin.
Hinga. Beach o bundok?
Beach!
Marupok o manhid?
Manhid.
Kape o milk tea?
Kape.
Fame o peace of mind?
Peace of mind.
Cancel muna o tuloy kahit pagod?
Tuloy kahit pagod.
Yes! Open o contemporary?
Open.
Picon or chill?
Chill.
Season 1 or Season 2? Maraming ibig sabihin yun. Can be us or can be journey.
Nahirapan ka.
Season 1.
Jajo o Soko?
Jajo!
Jasmine or Joker?
Ay!